Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, okay. So let's start. So today we'll be trading on gold, Euro USD, USDJPY, as well as on crude. And yeah, let's get started. So here we go. Yeah, I'll give a brief info about the TopStep 50k challenge. I have 51,100 to 121 as the balance, and the daily drawdown, the total drawdown which I can have is $2,000, and I have already at 1,815, so I am around $200 in loss, but it's okay. And the risk for our trade is $300 per trade, and the average risk reward which we is to 2. So let's get started, and we'll be trading in gold, crude, Nasdaq. We don't trade in Nasdaq because it's not the time. So let's get started. So this is Euro USD which we have. I also have another 25k account in funding pips, and the issue with that account is we don't what to say. Yeah, we are currently in loss in that account. I think $2,000 loss, around $2,000 loss. So I have 2 more trades in that account, and I have another X or Twitter platform where we can see all the updates with trades which I take here and everything. So yeah, so let's get started. We'll go with the gold first. Okay, so since we are starting, we'll go with the weekly. It's bullish, clearly showing bullish. Yeah, we'll, and in the daily, it has created a break of structure down here, creating still going bullish. And in 4 hour, yeah, initially this was the yesterday high which I marked as the draw of liquidity, and today we can mark the draw of liquidity as this one. This would be the external point where mostly it is going to get hit, because this FEG that has been created is respected and it can go and break. So we are in the long bias for the gold. Now let's go with the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening in 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we have this a breakout structure. So what happened here is that this is an FEG, and this got respected, and created a breakout structure to the upside. H4 is up, daily is up, weekly is up, everything is up, and this FEG has been inversed by this movement. So yeah, we can definitely look for long. Now the question is, where will we look for long? Here we can see that this has moved around 61.8 percentage in the FIBO level, which is highly good, and it's a good movement. And yeah, it has came here, respected this FEG, created a strong break of structure in the M15. So we'll be looking for buys in this section, and our target, we can kept it here, we can say as a drawn liquidity here. Yeah, so we will, for the price to come back up, come back down, then we take the trade in 1 minute. Let's put some, yeah, we are going for buy, and we'll put gold ready to buy. Yeah, so it is going. Now we look at the Euro USD. Yeah, Euro USD, again the same criteria. We go to the weekly, always do the same thing over and over again so that we get used to it. Yeah, it's showing bullish, came here, it's been consolidating here in the weekly, and now we go to the daily. We can see that it came up, this was the high, and this low created a short down here. Now it's trading in between these two zones, and we can see that yesterday it was a doji candle and it tried to end up and still coming down. In daily, we can say partially it's on the selling side, and let's see what happens. Yeah, we have it here. We have a breakout structure to the downside, took the liquidity from the upside, and yeah, we are in the sells, and this is a good place to sell. Okay, wonderful. We just mark that. Now we go here in the H1. So it is still being respected. The issue is that the 1 hour movement which we have here, it is strong. Just got respected. This FEG got inversed. This FEG got inversed. It's in the showing bullish in the H1, and we don't see anywhere where the price wants to come down. And also, if the price wants to come down, this could be a good place to go for shorts. And let's see in 15 minutes where has been the inducement which has happened. So here we have the inducement, create a great break of structure. So we can say that this is a good place. And then it came up, took all this liquidity. This inducement has happened, took this liquidity. We have a small FEG down here, got respected, and gave a strong move to the upside. Now my question is, we have a bullish structure, bullish FEG in the 15 minutes time frame, and here we touched here. The question is, since it has happened, now let's see what's happened in the 5 minute in the Asia session. Asia can give a great idea of this. So we have this inducement happening. This was the good inducement in the Asia session. Took the low, went up, came up, and we have a good liquidity point available here. So I want to sell here, but the problem is if we sell here, we need to have good confirmation. This high got taken out. Yeah, so we can see that all this order got, yeah, it's showing pure bullishness. If we try to go long, then it becomes a huge problem. In 15 minutes, we are bullish. They're definitely bullish. Green circle. In 15 minutes, so this green circle represent our bullishness in the 15-minute time frame, because yeah, this is the main moment which has happened as per the structural point of view. Also in the liquidity point of view, so we need to see everything in like two perspective, one in the structure point of view, also on the liquidity point of view. When both these things align, then we have a good chance. Okay, so here we'll check for the gold again. Gold is showing good movement here. Yeah, now let's see here. Here we have this good liquidity point, create a liquidity. This is a good selling point. Okay, it's a good selling point. But we need to see how the 15-minute is happening. In 15 minutes also we have this breakout structure down. But the point is, since already touched 61.8, the structure is bullish. We cannot go, and let's say structure is bullish in the 15 minutes. So we just mark it so that we know that we are in the bullish structure and we don't need to go shorts and make a mistake. So that is really relevant. In Euro USD, we can see that it created a movement down here. It's a good place. If you want to go long, this is a good place. A good buy. A good buy. I know nobody's going to watch my stream yet, but someday definitely people will come and pay me to see me stream. Yeah, I'll wait for that day till it comes. Okay, so 50 minutes we have the bullish structure. All this liquidity point has been taken out. Yeah, cool. So let's see what's happening. Yeah, it just got rejected from these points. The 5 minutes, let's see what's 5 minutes telling. Sorry, it says that we just got a break of structure to the upside. It just gave a huge reaction to the downside. We can say that this is also a good point where the price has moved, and I don't see anything happening here. So if you want to go for long here, we can go for long here. Okay, let's not say that we cannot go long. Okay, so we'll have, so as of now I have in the funding pips I have 23,200 as my, what to say, as my balance. I can lose 10%, which is I do have a balance of 700. So I'll take this trade with 400 and the next trade with 300, which makes it 700. So yeah, one more trade I can go good, and with the target of 1 is to 2. We are fine with this. So we are looking for a continuation trade here. So we need to see. So most people, if it comes here, this will act as an SMT. Okay, we have that SMT. We have the pro trend in our side. We have a minor inducement. This was the minor inducement. We have the mitigation. Yeah, it's coming for the mitigation. It's good. We need to have a break of structure to the upside, and we should have a good timing. The timing is perfect because we are trading from 9 to 10 or 11 maximum, but mostly today I'll be trading till 1 hour. That's it. I'll trade from 1 more hour, and here we can see that the gold does not respect. Yeah, gold just printed at, this can act as a liquidity point. It's a equal low. Yeah, it's equal low. This is a good place to go short. Okay, I'm not saying that, but in 15 minutes, I do agree with that. This moment took, sorry, this moment took here, created a break of structure, then went in. Yeah, it's a good place to go short also in the 15 minutes. But higher time frame, let's see what they are doing. Higher time frame, it's clearly bullish. Okay, this FEG was taken by this FEG. So in 15 minutes, we can go. We have an indecision here happening. What do you mean by indecision is, here the trend is up, initial trend is down. It's internally it is bearish. Okay, internally it is bearish, but then it became bullish. So definitely we don't need to go for the buys. If we want to go for the sells, we need the 50 minutes on our side because we are intraday, intra-session traders. We don't want to go in the opposite direction of the, so we are not looking for sells here. We sell, we are fucked up. Let's see what fundament is telling. We came here, price took here, created a movement to the upside, gave a confirmation. This is the one, took the entry here. Oh, this would have been the best trade. Same thing happened, came here, took the liquidity from here, created a breakout structure. Now what I want is the price to come down. I will enter here. When I get a breakout structure, I will enter here, and this as the stop loss. I'll go long with 1:2. Simple as that. We will wait for the price to come to the downside and let us see. Mhm. Now in the euro US dollar, whether it should go long or short is the problem is we can go long here, but it just clearly took the liquidity down here, went down, and the best idea for we can do is we can look for buy in this section when the price crosses 50. Yes, come on, beautiful. Yeah, the price should come down. We need to show a reaction in this section. In this, I believe. So this was taken out. Now this was the cell that taken out here. Beautiful. And if this get taken up, wonderful. We need to have a good stop loss because previously in the days I had made mistakes of choosing a bad stop loss and I got missed out. One trade which I still remember is painful. And 1 minute also it's still bullish. 15 minutes we are getting rejections down there. If we really look at the 1 hour, or in the 4 hour, let's see. Yeah, it's a great place to go long or short. Yeah, we can go for shorts in this one, man. If the price comes up, we'll take this. We'll put like 5 lot here and we'll enter go short. That's it. We are not, our bias has changed because this did not respect and it's showing weakness. We can put the target as 1:2 almost. Yeah, but I don't know whether we'll have the ability to. Yeah, this got rejected. Problem with gold is not showing proper reason for us to sell. That's it. It is a place we can sell. Does not mean that we should sell. So I'm not looking for sells in gold. That can be a mistake. If we want to go for sells, definitely we can go for the sells, but then it should be a scalp and it's obviously bullish. And if I want, I could enter here. Okay, let's see gold. If the price comes down somewhere here, we'll put like we go for like 25 and our 12. Fine. 12 it is. And this one happen, we have record structure happen. Yeah, definitely we can look for buys. If the price touched here, right, which means yeah, somewhere around here. Uh, yeah, we can look for buys somewhere here. Yeah. So we go here, we mark it as 12. Okay. And can we put the yeah, I hate it, man. Here we have 10 order limit by 2 order, which makes it 12. Wonderful. The issue is that this can act as yeah, it's okay. I'm fine with the trade. We need to put our video saying that we are going live. Some might people can come and join if they want. Day 9 top step challenge 50k. Yeah, it's cool. I think our limit buy order got
Order
triggered.
filled.
Yeah, and it's $300 risk, $600 target. Oh yes, we put it in our somewhere around here. Yeah, now we post it. 230, 268 trade, 368 gold long. Yeah, so the criteria for our buy is this. Here we took this. It's a good inducement happened as a minor inducement went here, create a breakout structure to the upside. This is a break retest trade. It's been confirmed as bullish. We have this all these places where the price can go. It's a good trade. I'm happy with this trade. We need to check whether our risk has been covered. Yes, it's a $300, 10 plus 2, 600. Yeah, it's in gold. Yeah, it is in gold. MGC. Yeah, micro gold. It's fine. We have enough of. I think our stop loss is kind of here or somewhere. Oh, man. We have enough stop loss already there, so. Let's see, we are already in the trade. If anybody is watching, they can. Anyway. That's wonderful. Let's see whether we get a reaction. You're expecting a good reaction. We have covered the sufficient lows. It's fine. Yeah. 5. It's like 8 pip. It's like 6 by Hello. Yeah, I think now we can hear, right? Yeah, so as I was saying, the only issue which we have is in 15 minutes we are in the premium section, so it's not in the discount place. That is a little bit concerning, but not too concerning as we have given good confirmations, and in 15 minutes, 5 minutes, yeah, it's a good place to buy. And yeah, we may not have the chance for it to come back and give a reaction. So let's see. Hmm. Yeah, we are definitely bullish in the higher time frames. Now I want the gold to go and kick ass. Yeah, all we need to do is now wait. Trading is a game of waiting. Yeah, let's wait. Okay, gold just took the above Fiji and is responding. Yeah, let's see whether it will sustain or not. Beautiful. Yeah, I think the trade is not working out the way we want. Yeah, if the price wants to react from here, it's yeah, this is the last place where the price can come bounce back up and then do it. Let us see whether it has the power to do so. One issue with this that we have this inducement on this side, and yeah. Yeah, I think that trade is done here. I don't think we can. Yeah, one more thing is that this is not the actual stop loss which you have put. Okay, right. But it's similar to that. Mm. Let us see. Mm. Yeah. Yeah, it's not working out. Let's see Euro USD what's happening here. Euro USD is also not giving out great things. Yeah, one thing which we did bad is here the Euro USD. I didn't take the trade here personally, but yeah, it's not a good place to go. Yeah, I think this is a goner. I want to improve the odds by making the risk bigger because if we are already in a lose, let it happen. We don't need to push it. Yeah, it was a good setup, but yeah, trade has not yet finished. I think this is the realized profit, which means I think when we took the order, this happened because this is the cost of brokerage and stuff. Now the price is starting to move up. We can go for some people go and buy more quantity since the price is moving in that direction, but that's not a good moment because we don't know. Mm. It just broke this. For me, ideally, I want to take and look at USDJPY and stuff, but yeah, the gold is starting to move now. I don't know where or how the price is going to move. If it is moves up, then it's fine. We will move this our SL to break even point. That's it. Let's see. So for the people who have bought like later on this below section after they have posted the trade would have get better RR. I suggest you stick on with 1:2 RR and book the profit if it hits. Simple as that. And about today New York session, I might trade, I might not trade. I have some appointments which I need to be taken care of, and yeah, now the account is at break even. I still idea that it is bullish. Yeah, everything it shows is good. Now, what happens is now that's a beautiful thing. I can tell you that. So okay. So now we have a breakout structure to the upside. Okay, there are two ways which could you could see this. This can be act as a liquidity grab here. Okay, and the target we can kept it here. That's one way of looking at it. And another way of looking at it is it just took it out, gave a strong reaction. Now the people who wants to go buy will go enter here, and it will be the SL will be our SL. So these two places are mixed. So better idea is now the people will just come on and add the orders and try to push it up. Let's see what it does. Mhm. I'm hoping for a good, great moment. And if anyone wants to check any other scripts or want to know, yeah, you can just put it in the chat, and yeah, we can have a small discussion. I really like to have an interactive session for these stuffs. And I am planning to live stream for a long time. So yeah, like I said, this could act as an inducement, and boom, we will have a strong movement to the downside now if the sellings are taken care of. I mean, the sellers are in control. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, like I said, I think this is done. Most probably a trade would be done, and some people will ask, like, then why do you exit the trade? The reason we are not exiting the trade is because we make a decision, and still the idea is valid. The idea will only be invalid, and now we can say that it is having strong conviction that since it is having a breakout structure, and also one thing which we can look here is if you are not greedy enough, this could be a good place where we can long go look for buys. Yeah, I would definitely recommend this trade now. Now it has shown good movement. So ideology is this is the induction which has happened, took the liquidity, went up, good trading movement. There will be too much order pending down here. Took it again, created a break of structure to the upside, showing strength. Yeah, I think this is a valid setup. Yeah, let's see now. If the price wants to move up, this is the time. If not, then there is no point in that. I'm expecting a good movement from here. That's the whole idea behind this trade. Yeah, good. Yeah, let me put it down in the chat for the people who are coming now. It's a live trade. Yeah, let's see. It's a live trade now. Now it should happen. And as always, I am not predicting the market, I'm just reacting the market. It shows the price has the ability to come up, took the liquidity from here, took the liquidity from here. This was broken by a strong bear bullish candle, came down. Yeah, it's a great place to buy, in my opinion. And again, all the things which I am doing is my own. I am not recommending anyone to take the trades on this behalf. Take everything at your own risk. So if anyone wants to look at the any script which they want, yeah, put it in the chat so that I can look it up and help you with it. Yeah, the price has taken it up. I wish it just moved up more. Yeah, let's see what happens now. Yeah, the price has again created a new break of structure, which gives us more confirmation that the price can now move up. Euro USD has taken down. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, it's a good place to go long in the Euro USD also. Super 5 pip stop loss. Again, it's like behaving similar to that of gold Euro USD now. I don't understand. Normally they go in the opposite direction now, but now they are like they are like brothers kind of a stuff. They just go like very strong. So let's see how much profit we are showing. Let's profit, but it's fine. When we touch this, yeah, if we could trail something up, then it would be really helpful in this. Now, just understand, we've been taking trade for like how many hours? 30, half an hour. We've been waiting for the price to move up. And this was our perfect entry. So what we did is we have a proper inducement here. We have inducement here. We have a higher time frame here. We get the confirmation. We can take any trade anywhere from here. This would be our 1:2. Love this trade, to be honest. Love this trade. And if I lose, I am not saying that I will not lose. Okay, definitely it has. Every trade when you put the money in, there is a great chance that, in my opinion, there is like 55 percentage or say 50% chance that it will go wrong. And it's a realistic data that we can look at it. We have 50% win rate, 50% loose rate, which means that if we have a good risk reward of 1:2, that is more than enough for us to put the food in our table and the price starts shooting up. Now it's a good time. And one good thing which I have noticed while live trading is it's really helpful, to be honest, because I'm just scrutinizing myself of every decision which I'm taking is correct or not, because yeah, today I don't have any people to see my trades, maybe one guy, oh, few people, but it will improve once I've been putting it the video constantly for a long time, so it will improve, and I'm pretty much sure about that. It's going to be awesome, guys. I'll wait for the price to reach the break even. Let us see what happens. Dun-dun-dun-dun. 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 Okay, the gold is going up. Now we should not get fearful and do stupid stuffs. Okay. Okay, the gold is on the move. I had a good. Yeah, the price is really bullish now, so it's a good news that we have. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, the price is on the move. We need the movement to reach here. 1 is to 2 is the target. We'll move the price when it reaches here. Yeah, I'm stopping the stream. And the price is moving up, shooting up. One thing which we can look is, yeah, now we have a great deal about to face. I know it can go up more, create a big high. 1, 2, 3 would be 900. I'm putting 1,500, baby. 1,500. Let it go. I'm going. When the price hits here, I'll be adjusting my stop loss to break even. And that's it, guys. I hope if you don't have any questions, we can wrap up this chat and be done with this. So have a nice day and take care. Bye.